Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel, and in today's video, I will tell you and also show you how you can hide photos from your gallery on your iPhone. Friends, please write your comments, be sure to put your likes, and also subscribe to this channel. And let us get down to this interesting topic with you. And please open up the gallery on your iPhone. Now go to the Photos section or go to the Albums section. And here, in order to hide some photos, I'm going to show you a few methods how you can do that. The first method is to open the photo. Next, in the top right corner, click on the three dots and select Hide with this kind of crossed-out eye sign. Confirm your action. And as you can see, the photo was instantly hidden from the gallery. The second way it is without opening the photo, click and hold on it, and also at the bottom select Hide. And also confirm the action. And let's say, if you want to hide many photos at once, not one by one to do it, there is also such a way. To do this, in the upper right corner, click on Select, and then select the photos, and then in the bottom right corner, click on the three dots. And you'll also find the Hide section. And instantly all three photos will be hidden. And now I will show you where and how you can find the hidden photos in your gallery. To do that, go to Albums in your gallery, and then scroll down, and here at the very bottom, you'll find a folder called Hidden Photos. Click on that. And here you'll need to unlock this folder with either Face ID or your phone password. And as you can see, here will be all the photos that you have previously moved to the hidden folder. Friends, I really hope you found this video helpful and that it was useful for you. Please feel free to write your comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and be sure to put your likes. Bye-bye.